one small thing is there. So before going for part determination, so one more thing in the BP master relationship. So we'll take 402. So he is the customer, and this is a relationship. So for that, first you make a person. You want to maintain a relation. Already we saw this yesterday, so just show one more time. So make a person as a customer, big partner, then link the relationship, maintaining the relationship. So go person. So person can be used for this. So general role is enough. For him, the finance role, SD role not needed. But general role is required. I'll put some name. So I'll put what name we can put. Venkatesh. Some name. This is Venkatesh. And last name I'll put some this thing in the street. So you can mention some main road. Some other details. Okay, I'll save this one. So this made ninth number 3 the bit button 938. Now go for the change mode. Open one more customer from here. So go for Venkatesh. So first name was Venkatesh. To search for the so we are link for the. So we'll take 400. We'll need 402. Not this one. We'll take 402. Change it to 402. 402 directly. Okay, so I'll go close and open it again. So BP. We'll take a main customer. So I'll take 402 as a main customer, 402. I'll take this one. Validity having the controversy. I'll take this one, this customer. He is a main customer. So I'm going to link the relationship. So click first display to change mode. Go for relationship. So go for category that is a contact person. And the relationship BP. You can search by name. First name was Venkatesh. This one we made Venkatesh. So validity period, he can be contact person from today till some 1 month, or so you can according to that. Create. Get a window like this one. So this is general data. If you go for sales and distribution, that's only these things. You can maintain a business hours. I already showed previous class how to maintain the business hours. That can be made here. General data, some things are relationship type is there. Like so, this I made contribution. Anything I made. How you can configure this part? You can configure this part in the IMG. First, the relationship type. First is the relationship type. So in the IMG. Go for same basic settings, not basic settings. Go for close base settings. Go for BP relationship. Go for BP relationships. Basic settings. Different number ranges. So this is the standard one. So by default 0, 1 should be there. So it's not linked directly anywhere. So basically it's a part of the technical configuration. So 0, 1 should be there. Should be only 0, 1. 0, 1 should be there. Some number is if you are not getting 0, 1 number range here, the relationship will not work. So this is a system default inside the system. So we cannot change this one. If not, the 0, 1 should be maintained. Otherwise, you will not get the relationship option. This is a standard one. So relationship type can be maintained here. Define relationship type. So we maintain the relationship type here. Like I made contact person. So you want some more another thing, go for new entries. Suppose I want for sales employee or so what is the remaining? So maybe sales employee. Maintain a sales employee. This is the code type is that one. So I'll maintain Sales employee. I don't know. Okay, so employee and the relationship category. So you can take from the options. So relation category. So I took contact person earlier. So now I'll take the sales employee. We have sales employee here. Has the employee. Has the employee. Sales employee. Has sales employee. Okay, sales employee is not there. We'll make this one. Has sales represented. We'll make this one. Enter. Say this one. So now go for the bitmaster. So close this one and open it again. So again go for create. So relation type you can see now what you get now. So contact person. Okay, so I think 1 second, we'll check one more thing here. So this is the one. Okay, so what I missed that, I think. So relationship type we made here. So relationship categories. So these are relationship categories there. So we have the contact person as BU or W01 sales employee or the. So each one we have the relationship category. This is the first step. So relationship type already maintained. So here we got option assign layout groups to relationship categories. So for example, so what I took was is contact person. What so I earlier on showing this one. So click on relationship layout here. So you'll get the logical group like this one has contact person. So this is all our standard. These are all our standard settings. You want to create one category. You want to create one category. And create one like this. You want to create one category. First you create to here. So first the properties of business but relationship categories. So you want to make it. So here we have the it's a standard. You can't do anything. It's a standard one. There's no new entity option, copy option. It's a standard one. These are available relationship categories. So for example, contact person is already there. This is already there. So what else is there? These all are available. All are relationship categories maintained by system by default. Nothing can be added. Nothing can be deleted. Okay. So yeah. So I'm searching for sales employee. So we'll take sales representative. This is the one we are taking. So this will be made in the first step. This already default we cannot change. So after that, go for relationship types. Already maintain that one. So relation type already maintained. And here the layout groups. So here, you can for new. You can go for new entries here. You can go for new entries. So I can copy from the existing one. From the contact person, we'll copy this one. Go to copy option. So change this to 1000. Enter again. Now go click here. Go for the layout module. So you'll get like this one. You'll get like this one. So now go for now relationship category. New can again go for new entries. So I can go for new entries. Again, you can copy this one. So relationship. This is the relationship category. So you can go here. So you take the category. So we'll take this one. Sales representative. One second. I change this. Yeah, change this to this one and enter. So layout and that logical system. So what we made now that was. So what we made was. So actually, just I forgot that one. This logical overview. So you can take one of these here. I'll take this one. We'll take so maybe. Okay, so I think we'll do it. I'll do it later. So the field grouping is again the same thing will come here. Once let me check this, I'll close and open it again. So go relationship. That was Venkatesh. So now I can change this to the, okay, here change this to that's available, that this one. So what was that? Was sales representative.
The last one, TU something was there.
No, no.
TTM 000001.
This one, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now go for the relationship. So that is 9 that we'll again search for here. That was Venkatesh. So Venkatesh. Create. Not an organization. Okay, in this case, so that's something, my concept is there. If I take this, it should be a game plan. The customer should be a organization, not a person. So I'll skip this one. I'll do it again on next class. I'll show it again. This one, next class. Actually, I did not check yesterday in my mind. So okay. So that will leave it now. So let's just show how to create that. We'll do one more thing. Setting I'll change the next class again. I'll show that. Monday I'll show that. This one I'll show that. So you go for this one. You for counter person only. So I think I'll explain on Monday. So here go for relationship. So go for the counter person. Then link the relationship. So again Venkatesh. Then go for dig user date. Some future date. Create. Will come like this. Now, this can be configured. I show in next class. This thing can be configured, and this is the only time management business hours. You can make a business hour like this one. So what time he can call him, call the counter person. Which time call the counter person? For example, Friday morning 09 to 17 hours. Like you maintain the allowed number for the so time format. Take your time format. What happened? So. Okay, display, entering display mode. 1 second. Where's the time format? I can't change it now. I close and open it again. So I'm now to log out also. Can I not close also? Not change also. I got stuck here, so I change this. Check this one. Okay, so go for calling hours. So here, so date time got here, change the time. So family, this is not a problem. So here the from time Friday today into okay 20 hours. Okay, so then go for check the fatigue calendar. Put the fatigue calendar here as second time format. 09 to 1700 India. It's not taking. It's not taking. India. Second time format. So did earlier to close this one. So remove this one. Remove this one. I'll try one more time. The results will see on Monday. Okay. So sample time format. Okay, this I'll do it again in this class. Okay, this I'll explain on so the Monday class I'll explain the relationship option. I'll show one more time. So what will happen when you for create option, bring the without the time management, if you're getting this one, so it's a relationship type. So only control person is there. I have to configure this one, control person. It's a time management. Now press the enter to be created. Press the enter. So created. So Venkatesh is a counter person. For this supplier, 936 customer, he is the 930 is a counter person. Venkatesh is a counter person. So concept. So some more thing I'll show in the Monday class. The remaining thing I'll show in the Monday class. Okay, so this is the so complete the BP configuration. Only the relational category I'll show it again on Monday. So next step is just will go through part determination. Just so as some of you want the concept behind that. It's the same thing only. Just the only thing is you don't need the counter person in the big master. The big master, the Potter function, you don't need for the counter person. So we already made a relationship here, so no need for the customer. No need for the counter person, the partner function. So for the customer under the FLC, we have the under sales and distribution, we have the Potter functions. So nothing is there now, not available also, nothing is there. So to configure the Potter determination, go for the basic functions. the basic functions, SD basic functions. So I'll go through that a little fast. We already know that. So go for the SD module, sales and distribution. Go for the basic functions, order determination, then set up order determination. First is the master data, then we had the sales document, header item, delivery, billing. So all the things we are in order production. Go for the first one, customer master data. First you make a procedure. Go for new entries. So procedure name. So I'm maintaining TRG, P, F. What is that much? So give some name like P part of procedure for TRG. Okay, so we'll make this one TRG. Enter. Again enter. Select button. Go for part production procedure. Go for new entries. So function will take a sold to party SP. Then go for the SH. Then go for the BP. Then go for the PY. So enter. So this is again not SP, that is PY. Okay, so for order functions, normal use. You have the counter person also, that's not needed because I already made a relationship category. Maintain a relationship, no need for the counter person. So these four are enough. And this is a change mode. So cannot, if you check this, cannot change the beep master. This for the mandatory, partner mandatory. So don't take anything here. During the creation, BP creation, we can check the, can change the, assign the partner man. You can partner in the BP master. Mandatory are putting auto will come in the BP master. So that's the next one. Save this one. Next is go for the determination procedure assignment. So here find your group, our group was RKSA. This basic account group we created in the finance accounting. It's not on the cross applications coming, and so we made two account groups for the BP master. One under cross application, one more, another under the finance accounting. Here the account group should be created from the finance accounting. Finance accounting basis and the different customer account group from there get that. So our was RKSA. Our group was RKSA. So that's the procedure what we created now. Previous step. RKS PR, PF. So previous step RKS. So it did not come. So partner procedure RKSA. We created. Okay, we get part was something. So there's a name are different. That was made as a okay, just close. I'll see what I made there. So that was TRGP. The code was TRGP. So TRGP, this one. Say this one. Say this one. That's the partner functions. So it's already know this part. No need to get a new one. Already available. All the possible functions given by SAP. No need to do anything here. Next we assign the partner function to the account group. So go for account group function assignment. Here, go for new entries. First is we'll take SP, then SH, then BP, then we get to take PY. Now look at account group, that is RKSA. This also RKSA. Enter. Say this one. So this was enough for the BP master partner function. So for the sales order, we can take the next option. For sales order and all, miss the next options. So you got to follow all these steps for sales order and delivery invoice. Now go for the custom master data, go for supply PP master. Now click here. So otherwise we make a new one. I'll close and open it again. So we'll take again. We'll take this one for not this one, anything. Start. So it did not come here because we didn't put mandatory. If you put mandatory, it will come there. I would not mandatory. Can now here can enter manually. Sold to party. So sold to party can be one customer code. So this one for that customer, he is the sold to party 9. So what is the code I given there? 9. So 9 business partner. What for the customer? That was the info. This one we made this one. So 937 will be a sold to party, and shipped to party will be another person. So that can be 3037. So this will make to this is the actual customer. It's the actual customer. I'll change to some other customer. That was 7. So I'll take here this one ABC one. He is the shipped to party, and again BP can be another person. Another person who is so BCD1. So customer is 308 already begun. 402 will be the bill to party, and the PUA also we will maintain 402. So make a sales order. This will be taken. Delivery this will be taken, and billing and the payment. The same concept like a old ECC only. So only things we do not need any particular for contact persons. So I maintain the relationship. Okay. Okay, so you have to follow this one. You have to follow everybody.
Yeah, Shekhar, but I don't have the access. I just ping the AC53 short also in the chat box.
I didn't reach one. Okay, chat box. What do you want there? After issue or this issue. Sorry, which one are you practicing now?
This one, SD21. Okay. So I'm trying to create this on the partner function, right? So with the first one, so I'm getting this authorization error there. So
authorization you can check with the vendor only. So he has given us a limited authorization for all these. I also got the limited authorizations. So check with the vendor for this one. So they are assigned the authorization profile to our user IDs. Some are not allowed for our user IDs.
So who will help there?
The vendor who is providing this remote connection. You check with ZaranTech, so they will help you in that. So after class, you can check with the ZaranTech. I'm also
ZaranTech.
ZaranTech. Okay. So I was also some issues that I check with them, then they corrected.
I think they are in the call, right? They're in the call. ZaranTech. Yeah, I can see here ZaranTech.
Is there?
Yeah, in the call.
I think it's not in the call, I think.
Yeah.
So once you visit the class will come on online, that you can check. You can check with him.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So we did a final part of distribution also. So next thing, so I showed here what and all we planned in the initial class. I showed you what and all should be taken. So that was in the sheet 1. So this is the thing we had to do for the this is structure ultimate. So structure ultimate, the second sheet. So this is the thing we had to. So as sales story, I showed everything. First the infrastructure, we made definition assignment. We come to the masters for customer master data. So next master material, then we can go for transactions. So next step in the our sales, this program is material mass data, then all these transactions. So once we make material mass data, I'll show all, we'll see through from inquiry till billing on regular flow. Then same thing also in the Fiori app. So after we will not be covering all these things. Maybe this document, a conversation, just refresh you, brush up the details, then the configuration part. This one we will not see. We'll be seeing only advanced topic of S/4HANA. So these are advanced topics in the S/4HANA related with the basic, related to some of the regular SD model functionalities. That we are going to see. We are not going to cover all these basic functions. So what are these? Is the S/4HANA additional topics that we are covering in our training program. So this will not be touching all these things. Maybe we'll do the inquiry till order one cycle, till invoice one cycle, both in the S/4HANA system as well as the Fiori app. Then we'll do some the configuration part. We'll see some configuration part. This one document type item categories, because for the remote for this advanced return manager needs some copying option. So we'll see this configuration part. So that after we'll go for the advanced topics only. We're not covering all these things. If time is there in the last stage, you can check this one. So others will not be seeing these functionalities. So next step is material mass data. Next step is material mass data. Material mass data. So I already know the material mass data detail, how to make it in the MMC around. I already know that. So we are not going to do any configuration part in the material mass data. Just we are going to create the material. But in the S/4HANA, even if you get the material enterprise structure, you cannot get the material directly. That is something called material ledger is there. You know what is material ledger. So all the material will be posted will be stored in the material ledger. So first that be activated. Before making material mass data, the material ledger should be activated, and your plan should be made productive. So two things are there in the material mass data. Two things are the material mass data. So one is ML activation. ML means material ledger. ML means material ledger. Material ledger. Actually, real time will not be doing this. Will done by the material management and the controlling person. So material ledger, material ledger should be activated, and next we have to make the plant as productive. Plant we can call the valuation area should be made productive. So these are two steps we make in the supply material mass data. You have to activate material ledger in your valuation area. So valuation area is a plant. We call plant as a valuation area in the MM module. Valuation area. So I already know that, I think. So valuation area is a plant. Basically, valuation area is your plant. So you have to activate material ledger for your valuation area. And if you make the plant or valuation area productive. These are two steps we are making the material mass data. If you try to make a material mass data in the present scenario without the settings, if you go for MM01, material mass creation, and I'll select the everything. I'll select here. So mechanical engineering taking. So I'll take FERT. Sorry, so material FERT. Go for select views. Select the views. We take the MRP views also, because later I have to use this. MRP also take here. And go for the storage and storage 2 and accounting one. These are the common need for the sales transactions, commonly need for sales transaction. Go for organization levels. The plan is TRGP, my plan TRGP. This is the producer one. And the sales organization was TRGS. TRGS. This also TR. So once I press enter, so I not will continue. So it's showing material ledger must be productive, set productive for various area TRGP. So without activating material ledger or making the plant productive, you cannot create the material mass data. Okay, so first you have to enable the material ledger. So material ledger is nothing but it's a storage of value in the for all your materials. It is stored in the material ledger. Whatever your transaction you are doing for material, they will be stored in the material ledger one functionality. So there only we will get all the material values. So should be active, it should be made active for the valuation area. Valuation area is nothing but a plant. Your plant is the valuation area. So to do this one in IMG, so under the main IMG, under controlling concept. So this is run by the controlling consultant. Under controlling, product cost controlling. So need not know the details, just you have to know how to activate. Need not need to go into the details. So and product cost controlling. then actual costing material ledger, then go for assign material types to valuation area. Assign material types to valuation area. So valuation area is a plant. Valuation area is your plant. So go for position. My plant, so valuation area is a plant. Plant is a valuation area. So my plant was TRGP, enter. So it should be 9,000. So that the life type should be 9,000 and the green indicator should be there. So 9,000 is nothing but company code currency. 9,000 is a currency type valuation 10. So this will get in the, when we made a controlling area, we saw this one. So I'll just show that in controlling in my controlling area. In the controlling area. So my currency type is 10 here. Currency is 10 here. What is 10? Company code currency. Because once you take the company code same as controlling area, the company currency is 10. So this you get enabled for your plant. So in the here material activation here. Also material types to valuation area. So when you practice, you'll get maybe in your company, in your plant, with 9,000 not there, it'll show that red indicator. Suppose I change it to for plant, change to another currency type, like for example, 777. So 1030 is another material type. We take this one. Okay, so alloy. So I'll take another. It'll show the red indicator. So what we are taking 9,000 only. So if suppose change to something else. Okay, so actually it should be so because already assigned showing not showing the error message. So if it is showing the error indicator, the red in that error indicator, error light, go for the 9,000. Take 9,000 and save this one. 9,000 that only took in the controlling area that you enable assign here and save this one. If not that, assign the 9,000. Okay, this is first step. The next step is activate material ledger for valuation areas. Activate material ledger for valuation areas. So come here. So go for active material ledger. Second one, activate material ledger. Again, find your valuation area. That's again TRGP. And here the active material ledger, activate the material ledger. ML activates material ledger. And price determination, there are two price determination. So transaction based and single material. So mostly for moving average calculation, they'll take transaction based, and for standard will take singular multi-level. We can take either one. So later when the MM person doing the valuation, that valuation will be based on what you are selecting here. It may be based on moving average or based on standard. So I'm taking the second option, third option, that's standard item price, standard valuation. Say this one. So you get in this step, what do you do? You get enable ML activator, you get to enable here, and the price determination either for 2 or 3. So I'm taking 3 here and save this now. Okay, enter again, and you can come down, close this one. Done this one. So one more step is remaining. So now you get done the material activation. Again, try with the material master creation. I will get error message. So I'll make it a default one. So make a default one. So organized levels. I get the error message. Still is not made productive. So we made a material activation. Still is not made productive. To make the ledger productive, to make the ledger in our plant productive, so come here These six, that the T code is CKM start. The T code is CKM start. That you can find from accounting, then controlling, then product cost controlling, then go for actual cost material ledger, then go for material ledger. Sorry, go for environment, go for production startup, CKM start. It's a T code for making the plant product, evaluation the product. I think this was on the ECC earlier. So the ML Act is a new thing, but it's a mandatory one for the metal master now. So CKM start, set evaluation areas productive, CKM start. T code is CKM start. T code is CKM start. You can type here also. CKM start. So give the plant, that is TRGP, give the plant, and remove this background processing test. Remove both the things, remove both the ticks, and execute. So my plant is productive now. So it's a warning message only. You can ignore this one. So you can see I have made the plant productive now. So plant is now productive. You can see plant is now productive. Okay. So next step is now again for amount 0. Go for amount 0. So in amount 0, select use. So I made a default one. So all the things, so we want to save us all the three views, all the MRP views and the storage views and the accounting view. So all the views are selected. Go for RMS levels. So give the plant and storage location, sales organization, channel. So this all make a default setting. So every time you not enter, I'll make a select this default setting. Now we enter. Now it's allowing inside. So we enter the metal mass data detail, some description. So we'll make 50,000, some base nota measure, and maintain this general item group that I already know. NO of normal item category group, standard item group, that is now, and division also, that is TR for my company. Then enter. So again, nothing else in mandatory. Again, enter. Here you can mention the sales unit, base unit, you can maintain that. Division is already there. Delivering brand is TRGP. And maintain the tax code. We can maintain the 0 tax, no tax exemption. 0. Okay. Then enter. So delivering brand already maintained. So go for enter again. Here nothing necessary. So later when you get some message, will come here. So I think I group again, then now. Enter. So here mandatory, so you can make the transportation group for the shipping point determination, transportation group, and the loading group. So I will check is individual requirements. I take individual requirements, I have to check. Enter. So MRP1, this MRP group should be there. Take one of the standard group, take one of things. So make inverse production. So not the external production, it should be inverse production with or without independent requirements. So I take I'm taking with planned independent requirements. Which one? So which one take? You can take that. So I'll take this one. And the MRP type, you can maintain no need for the MRP configuration. Take no ND, and is no planning. Later when do the I will check, I'll use this MRP type. So I'll take no planning. MRP controller, something I was saying here, MRP controller. So only one is there. And it's also mandatory entry. So I'll maintain some EX for lot for ladder, lot for lot. So enter. So MRP do nothing mandatory. So again enter. Here again on the strategy group here, make to stock or make to order. Go for make to stock. And go for strategies. So make to stock production or something. So enter. SAP is already there. RTC is already there. Enter. MRP4, nothing mandatory. So here nothing mandatory. So link the planners. We are taking these two views to make the location and the plant to the material. Enter. Enter. So you can see. So you can see one thing here in the accounting one is activated here. ML is activated and place it with 3 here. Suppose it's not activated because you missed some setting in the ML activation or plant production. Then if it is not picked here, you cannot use material anywhere. So once you made the ML not activated, you cannot use the material in any of the transactions. You have to simply leave this material. You cannot use material anywhere. Okay, so how it will come? How you can see that why it is not done? So there will be two T code that you have maintained. So you want the plan this activate even after making the plant productive and the material activation still is showing the not ticked here. The possible reason can be two things. One is in the that's material type configuration OMS2. One is OMS2. One is OMS2. That's for FERT. For your built material type FERT. You have to check its lubricants quantity value of data. And for your plant, TRGP for your plant should be activated. This plant quantity value of data should be activated here. So otherwise you will not get the ML activation indicator. Here you will not get the this active. This tick mark will not be there. Then you cannot use the material anywhere. Later, if you activate, do all the settings also, when you come back, it cannot be changed here. So you cannot use material anywhere in the transactions. Okay, so this should be enabled. So when you make material master, make sure it's enabled here. So one more setting is in the material management. One more setting for this one is OMWD. So that for your plant, where valuation area again, for your plant again for TRGP. So actually, it's not affecting the material master now. So later, when for transaction, it should be maintained again. So now we will maintain 001 as a grouping code. 001 is a validation grouping code. This can be pre-configured before making the material master data. Okay, so it's only material master data. So we are here. So now the validation class. So maintain material management and the finance together. So validation class make one of things 7920. We'll take 7920 finished goods. And the standard price, so 1,000 rupees. That's 1,000 rupees. Now we enter. So again enter. Save. So material master data. We made a new material master data. Okay. So this is a material master creation. So now we have material. We got a sales customer. We can make the start with the sales process. Okay, so are you comfortable till now? Are you able to follow? Are you able to follow all these things? So are you able to follow everybody? Ashish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what about others? Are you able to follow?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So next step, we can make the transactions. So we'll go through on the regular transaction. That is available in the ECC already. Just go through one cycle. Then we'll go for
1 minute. Sorry. Pricing. Do we need to do any configuration for pricing?
Yeah. So when you make the inquiry doc, we'll get an error message. You go for inquiry, we'll get error message. You have to do that also.
Okay.
So in V11, you have to do the go for inquiry. So V11 inquiry any document. So give the inquiry type IN. So go to sales office.
Can you please cover the tables under the BP transaction also?
Under the
BP transaction, like what are all the different tables we have? Like
for the sales for the BP master,
for business partner.
Okay. So we'll see that. First we go through one full cycle, then we can we can see together. So we go for enter option. So change the supplier to another. Take one of the customer from TRG. So press enter. Error message. No. Okay. So one more setting is there. Okay. So no credit segment assigned to credit control area. No credit segment assigned to credit control area. So press enter. Error message. No. Okay. So one more setting is there. Okay. So no credit segment assigned to credit control area. No credit segment assigned to credit control area. So what is errors coming because credit management in the S/4HANA, the credit management is a new topic. So in that we have an option credit segment. We have an option called credit segment. So that should get in the IONG. So I forgot this step. We have to do this all before making inquiry. We can make that because I made a new credit control area during the enterprise structure TRGC. So that will link the credit segment. So later we'll take the detail about the credit segment. Credit management is a separate topic in the advanced HS4HANA. We are going to cover that. So initially for the BPMAS in the inquiry option also that is a mandatory one. First I'll show how to do this one. Later I'll show we will see fully all the things detailed. So that can be made under. Now credit management not coming under the regular SD model. In the S/4HANA, some of things are there in the ECC in that old under sales and distribution, but more are replaced by in the cross application. We go for sales and distribution, go for basic function, we get the credit management. We get the credit management here under this one, credit management, risk management. So here we are having some options here and under the old ECC. Only we are having this one. Sorry, that is credit management. This one. So it's not enabled. Okay, so this is the thing. So because it's not disabled, it is disabled, got disabled in the S/4HANA. So we can't do the credit management from here, from the metal this basic functions. That's coming under finance supply chain management. Credit management comes under finance supply chain management. FSCM comes under FSCM. So it comes under FSCM. Credit management comes under FSCM. This one, finance supply chain management. Then go for credit management. Then go for credit risk monitoring. We're going to see in detail later. So master data. So go for create credit segment, credit segments. This for the finance. So one more place you can make one more credit segment. So go here. So you can go for new entries, some name. So I'm giving TRG credit. Some name for that like this, or TRG C credit management, currency INR, and the exchange rate you can take M. That you can take M. Normally take M. So you can take M here. M is actually standard at average rate. And so this I will later explain this part. When I come to the topic, we'll explain all these functionalities. We'll see in detail. Every field will take in see in detail. So this credit segment made. This is done. The next step is so actually this is for the finance setting, and BP will also make the credit segments. That comes under. So the integration with account receivable, account sales and distribution. Here under integration with sales and distribution. So here we got credit certified. We have one more different credit segment here. This is different from the earlier one. So here make a new segment. This is for BP master. This is made from BP master. We are going to assign in the BP master. So new entries. So I'll give again something else. RTG C, same thing. RTG segment RTGS. So name for that like RTGS C. Say this one. This one. So done. So next get assigned to the different here. So assigned first to credit control area and credit segment. Assign. This is assigned to credit control area, then to the sales area. So go here. So your credit control will be already there. So you can go for new entries. So, once again, so new entries is already available. So that is RK. This one is in the credit control area, RKC. So assign the credit segment what we made now. Earlier step. This is what we made there. So this is a TRS. Sorry. So it's TRS now. Sorry. So not under here. So go for TRS. This is my old what I made earlier one. Where is the this one TRG. So here assign the credit segment TRG. My company TRGC. This one. Yeah, this one. So this is created the finance account. We created a finance account that you link here. So this is credit segment for finance accounting. Next is for sales area. Next is for sales area. So go for sales area. Assign sales area to credit control area. So click here. So find your sales organization. So RTG. Assign the credit control area. So okay, it's not saying that here. So my sales are the RTGS. Okay, it's not coming here.
It's TRGS, right?
Okay, RTG. Okay, sorry. Okay, so go for find option. Okay, so TRG, that's for TRG. Okay. So here position. Okay, so TRGS. Okay, sorry. So for credit control area, TRGSC. So TRG, say this one. Okay, so can go for the sales order. Inquiry, go for the inquiry. Close and open it again.
No, but Sekhar, you are creating for TRGS, TRTR, but you have assigned it to TRGS, SK, some other sales area, right?
Whatever. So this is this TRGS. Okay. So there. So TRG. Okay, this one is different. Okay, this one. Sorry. Okay. So TRGS, TR. Okay. Because we copied the plant, sales area is assigned to some other sales area also. So TR, you are correct now. So go for the inquiry now. So I'll enter again. The customer 402. So now we are getting error, pricing error. So that error is gone. Now we get a pricing error. So some, I think Ashish, you asked about some doubts, on the something. Who asked for doubts in the when you started? You told some doubts. Want to clear some doubts. Some error came, something you told. So anybody wants to check the system? Like you told something was not happening. I forgot who told. Ashish or somebody told. They asked that. So Ashish not. No, so somebody asked. I think Ashish was there, but he's not available now. It's showing. So Ashish, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here, but I didn't collect what doubt I had.
So somebody asked that. I forgot. Somebody asked. I told in the during the.
Shekhar, that's me, but right now I'm not able to log into SAP.
Okay, fine. Okay. So what was the problem you are having?
So for that account group, the partner determination procedure was assigned, and the partner determination procedure has sold to party mandatory. Okay. So when we extend this business partner to sales role, SD role. So when I'm trying to save this, the transaction, it is asking to enter the customer number. So when I'm extending this role to customer, so how can I give that number? Like when it is internal, it should generate, right?
But maybe in the price and the partnership configuration, you did not take that no change or something there. So when you do the configuration part, so here, so for example, TRG. So here, the option here change and no change possible, and mandatory.
The sold party I kept mandatory. That is, it is there mandatory.
You meant mandatory. So if you want mandatory, it will take internal only. It will take automatically only.
No, it should take automatically, but it is not taking.
Okay. So then I can check in the system only. You can find out. So
can you do one thing? Can you create one transaction if possible? Just keep it a mandatory and try to create one customer.
Okay, so you want to make this a mandatory. What setup you have made? Same setup you want here. Correct.
Sold to party would be enough.
It's a mandatory. This mandatory. And the change, we are checking this one or not? No change checking or not?
No.
Okay, so I'll say this one. So go for the bit master. So PFG password to check. Say this one. Display to change. Change to FLC customer. FLC. SDN. So go over sales and distribution. So mention the things. Auto version. So I get only sold to party here. It's an internal.
And here I'm getting that blank number assigned BP as blank.
It's a blank. So maybe the did you maintain external or internal number range?
Internal number, and I'm maintaining both the business partner and customer with same number range.
Okay, so both are same range. Okay, that's not a problem. So you are getting what is happening here now? What you are getting here, the number blank is blank.
Blank.
Okay, it's coming blank.
Assigned BP is blank.
Okay, not in this not coming. The internal is not coming.
That is also not coming. It is not.
Okay. So what can be this and maybe so internal, so mandatory. So mandatory here internal and the internal check in there. So mandatory. No change means I can again take that one. So same thing only followed, no? So it's not.
I have used partner determination AG as standard.
Okay. Okay. So try once more. Others Monday. Others Monday will check that one.
Yeah, I'll show you on Monday.
Okay.
Meanwhile, others can ask you questions, and meanwhile, I will also try to log in.
Okay. So anybody else having any issues I want to discuss with whatever we taught based on that? Any issues there? You want to discuss anything? So Vinod, are you comfortable with the other topics, Vinod? Then Puneet Verma, are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll complete only this step. We'll make that inquiry possible. We'll not continue with on Monday, but we'll finish that one inquiry. Just that error will figure out. So no price value could be determined. For this, you have to do the price determination. Go to IMG. Comes under basic functions. So pricing, price determination, price control. Then go for define and go for this one. And go for determination. So for IN, for sales, sorry, sales organization, so I go for new entries. Yeah, go for, it's already there, position. So go for new entries. This TRGS and this TR is also TR. This is A. That is A, standard. And this one, standard. And standard. Okay, so yeah, so this so sorry, actually missed one thing, that's customer procedure. So this is standard. Standard. So we'll take the regular standard pricing procedure. We'll take REA. We'll take this one. Maintain PR.0 as a condition type. Say this one. So we'll go for the inquiry again. Still get an inquiry error message. Say enter. So this error, do you know how to solve this error? Yes, do you have any idea how to solve this error? The error was
indicators.
Yeah, the error was sorry. So error was controlling indicator, controlling area TRG do not exist. Controlling indicator for controlling area do not exist. So to solve this error, go for OKKP. T equal to OKKP. It comes under ING under general controlling. So OKKP. So find the controlling area. So TRG. So select the button. Go for activate components control indicators. Select the button and go for activate components. Go for new entries. With the year fiscal year 2023 and make so 2023. Make everything active. Make everything active. And this will make for both parallel integrated calculation. Take this cost object also. Say this one. This is fully controlling concept. Controlling concept will take care of this one during the implementation. So we'll say once more. So close this one. Okay, now go for inquiry again. You already got so inquiry. Enter. So not before not to enter. Not taken. So we'll continue the start the inquiry from the on Monday class. First go through all start with inquiry till billing. So account determination till billing. Our regular flow, the standard flow. Then we'll go for the what's that advanced topics. Okay. So advanced topic means these all are advanced topics. Here under we can see that under course curriculum. This is the thing we got to do this one. So we got to so we are going to do sales process and HANA navigation. Technical will explain later. Fiori app. So what are doing the GUI? I'll show in the Fiori also. Like inquiry quotation order till billing, I'll show in the Fiori app also. So that's the thing. It's in testing through Fiori app. So Monday we'll go through all the things. First we'll go through regular process till billing. Then show the same thing also in Fiori app. Then after we'll go to other topics. Okay.
Shekhar, I'm able to access SAP now. May I share screen? Quickly we can see and close. If you have 5 minutes time. Otherwise, we can see it on Monday. Up to you.
Okay.
Want me to share screen? Like we'll
okay.
see on Monday.
Okay, so not possible to do it on we'll check it again on Monday. Okay, then shall we meet again on Monday morning? We'll close now. Shall we meet on Monday morning?
Yeah, thanks.
So okay, so everybody, thank you. Bye.
Hello, I should from ZaranTech Tech Support.
Okay, so actually the class is going to complete, so I thought I called Richard.
Okay.
Okay. So and close. We are leaving now. We'll come back on Monday morning.
Okay, Monday morning. Right? So next session.
Yeah, Monday morning. Yeah, so again on Monday morning.
Yeah. Okay.
So very welcome. Yeah. So thank you everybody. We'll meet again.